So I got a notification from FedEx, not realizing that I had ordered anything, but it was my Verizon card, which is the brand new credit card from Verizon. Came in a FedEx package, first of all, instead of regular mail. In this like a phone box where I had to tear up the side here. I was gonna start recording earlier, but I didn't think it was gonna be this kind of intricate. I don't think I was supposed to take this out, but looks like almost like a phone. Pretty crazy. I felt like I needed to start recording. Came with this little like note, which is not really like unique or anything like that, but sorry, I'm doing this on my phone. But it's like just interesting. I've never gotten a credit card with like this much stuff. It's just a blank card with the benefits on the back. Yeah, it looks like the card's right. If I crack this open, yep, there it is. So obviously well, I can tell you guys how it feels. Oh, it's still not there. There's still another layer to this. So I've opened probably 1, 2, 3 things to get this card out. So that's the packaging, and then this is the actual card, I'm assuming. Ooh, it's heavy. Feels like it's one of those metallic cards. Ooh, that is a tough card. That's pretty tough. It's got like a chrome edging. You guys can see that little finish. And then the numbers and everything are on the back here. Pretty sweet. Cool. So that's Verizon's new credit card. Nice.